Good morning from sunny West Cork. Today is going to be a pretty chill day because we got 2 of our orders, building material for the house, which is good. My hands are getting a bit sore, a bit swollen from all the power tools, so it'd be nice to do a bit of tidying. I'll maybe sort the workshop as well. And I think if I get all of that done, I might start to take this down. Inside there we have our utility and there's a nice workbench. So I might take that workbench, put that into my workshop, which is looking a little bit tidier. Can you see that? No. Here we go. Started to put things on shelves, consumables that I'm going to need, nails, screws, things like that. Have some firewood there, have a little bit of a power tool workstation there, and next thing that I'm going to do is this. Here we can see some pipes. I got to move those pipes into the barn. I got some concrete, some lime, some Tyvek, I don't know, some plumbing fittings, and more concrete down there. I got some blocks, I got some sleepers, and I got some aggregates, but all of the concrete, lime, plumbing stuff I have got to put into our tiny little barn. So I might do a time lapse. See you later. Okay. Cement moved. Lime moved. Pipes. You can't see that. Anyway, all these pipes are moved. Space, roofing materials, electricals. That's that. Done. I have, oh God, I have about 2 tons of white sand. This is for the lime mortar and the interior mix. And I have some sewage. I'm sorry, I'm just standing in all this dust. I'm gonna have a quick drink of water. My daughter brought it out, very kind of her. Quick drink of water. And then I'm gonna move these rhubarb and these and see where we are. Break over. Let's tidy up the rest of the yard. So I knew I was putting the sand and cement in the barn to keep it dry. Or sorry. So I knew I was putting the lime and cement in the barn to keep it dry. What I just moved there was white sand. Didn't have to go in the barn. I don't mind if it gets wet. But you gotta make sure you don't get it delivered right in front of your barn door. One of the many fails of the Irish farm restoration. Right, that's that done. Hopefully tomorrow now we will get the last order, which should be the lumber. Nice clear space for the truck to reverse, and hopefully the majority of lumber will fit there. The truck can pull out and use this space for any additional. There is some plywood coming, alright, which I will have to put in the barn, but other than that, it can all stay out. And yeah, looking good. Just waiting for the cement mixer now.